Oscar just came home from work one day and he said,
I looked up knob on Topo today.
and I was like, okay, that's interesting, but what is a knob? In topography, a knob is a prominent, isolated, rounded hill, small mountain, or protruding bedrock outcrop. And it turns out there's 138 in New Zealand. Woo woo! Look at knob! Oh yeah! Knob number 1.
We're going to leave the track and head down into Rocky River.
Heading into our first trip, I was super excited. I was just so eager to get going, and it was something that we had kind of talked about for a while. I hadn't really done much off-track travel before, and I really quickly realised how tough and exhausting bush bashing can be. It was pretty eye-opening and kind of overwhelming at the same time, like, oh shit, what have I got myself into?
There's knobs up there. And some thick bush bashing. Some steep stuff. Yeah, we thought we were at Peter's Knob, but it turns out, I think that just there is Peter's Knob. We've been up both sides.
Peter's Knob's in the saddle.
Peter's Knob is the saddle.
Peter, show us your knob. Where is it? We can't find it.
Well, we better stand on top of this one just in case.
Yeah.
Then we'll go and stand on the saddle again. And then we'll go back up onto the one that we were on.
Somewhere along the way we were on Peter's Knob.
I guess the feeling overall was excited to go and see our first few knobs, and pretty quickly got humbled by thick bush and steep country, and kind of started to set in that it was going to be a big mission.
Day 2. We're off to Brown Knob and hopefully some good ridge walking. The treacle's definitely the most annoying part, eh?
Yeah.
Oh god. Just come through all this really thick treacle. Legs are feeling a bit bruised, battered and bruised.
Yeah.
This is Brown Knob.
Yeah. Yippee.
See you at the next knob. Where are we, Oscar?
We're on Season Knob.
Woo!
Our first knob that had potential for some beautiful views. And we've got this.
Beautiful. Whoop whoop, she's a knob. I'm tired. We're at Boulder Lake, which as you can see is pretty gorgeous. Knobs are no joke, eh? I think this is going to be a really big undertaking. I knew that, but yeah, you don't truly understand it until you start. So Yeah, 4 knobs down, 133 to go. We're off to knob number 5, fear knob.
Anticipation getting close to the edge. Know you think I see you more than a friend. Better late than never. Now it's all over me. These reflections of you. Who you want me to be? Do I wanna be you? Is it only a dream?
The next high point is Clark Knob.
Is it only a dream?
That actually wasn't Clark Knob. Even more classic knob. Wow, this is Clark Knob.
We're about to go up BB's knob.
That's good, it's beautiful.
Some shaky ass footage. Shaky, shaky, shaky.
Woo! There's no real list of all the knobs in New Zealand, so manually we had to go through and find them all. When we kind of landed on the number 138, it felt achievable. If we had looked it up and it said that there were 500, I'm not sure if we would have ever started. Like any good spring day, we're starting in the rain. Hopefully it's going to clear up.
Yeah, bet.
What do we have here?
Where we should have been. Mark track.
It didn't clear. I feel like we really found our groove after kind of got through that first trip and then started ticking off these wee summits. So we're 8 knobs down and then came knob number 9.
Don't want to go for a swim. Yeah, that kind of looks like a nice little swim.
Oscar, where are we going?
To Nugget Knob.
What knob number is it?
Number 9.
Woo!
So it begins.
So it begins. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that.
Don't go that way.
Olivia,
Yeah, baby.
how are you feeling?
I'm feeling so ready to conquer this knob with you on your birthday. It's Amy's birthday knob.
Yes! Do you think that's Nugget Knob?
I don't think it's Nugget Knob.
You don't think it's Nugget Knob?
What? Nugget Knob's not in the trees.
Oh, but it's Nugget Knob's up there somewhere, right?
Yeah, well, no. It's not where the track goes. I think the knob trip's good because it's kind of like a unique take on an outdoor mission, and I think it's funny that knobs aren't particularly impressive or high or far or whatever it might be, but yeah, if we manage to do the whole lot, then it's going to be a really big trip and it'll be quite an achievement for us.
That's a bit scary.
We're going to be, if we sit down for half an hour or something, at least, I reckon.
Yeah.
Get some.
It's dark out there, eh?
Yes.
Oh my.
Oh, it's so much better here already.
Still over a kilometre away. And if it was tricky, that could quite easily be an hour. 2 hours from the bushline. 8 o'clock at night.
A knob fail. This is sad. I actually feel like I'm gonna cry.
Oh,
Not on your
No,
birthday.
dear's only birthday.
Till next time, Nugget Knob. Our first knob fail. Bugger.
I never really considered failing a knob. That's probably super naive, but we were with my friends and it was my birthday, and yeah, I thought it was really sad.
It was always going to happen. It was going to be more in the future, but yeah, I guess we're on a bit of a groove, and to fail one was a bit of a bummer, but learned a few good lessons, and we have to go back and get it another time. Up until this point, we've only been accessing knobs that have been on national parks or on public land, but we're aware that obviously there's a bunch that will be on either forestry land or private property. No unauthorised entry.
We had to head home and apply for a permit, wait for our permit date, and then it came in and we got to go up. It wasn't really the most exciting knob, but we were just stoked to get past knob number 9 and feel like we could continue on from there.
What a beautiful knob. So brown.
Third time's a charm.
Oh yeah, it is.
The idea of the trip is to go places that maybe we wouldn't otherwise, and neither Aimee or I had been tramping up there, so it was cool to see some new ground, and turned into a really cool trip with lots of awesome terrain and some amazing ridgetop travel and good fun, honest tramping.
Yeah. I think this is the biggest pack I've ever given. And I can feel it. That was only day 1. Uh-oh. Aaron Richards knob. On to number 13.
We learnt that there's no such thing as sidling in the Tararuas, you just go straight up and over everything, which worked in our favour actually, because all the knobs on that trip were on a track. Being on a section of the TA, everyone on that was kind of doing the same thing, but we were on our own mission, appreciating all those little minor summits in between. We had some pretty big days and it was definitely super honest travel. Is knob number 15, and we're in the sunshine. We're on our almost 12 and we've still got to go all the way up there. But we just had a lolly and we're still smiling, so that's good. And we still like each other, so that's good too. Of course. Yeah. Okay. That's all.
Where are we going?
We're going to Concertina Knob.
Constantina.
Concertina. Lovely. There she is.
Here we are! We made it! I think this is the prettiest bushy knob I've been, for sure.
A lot of the knobs, we don't really know why they've been knobs. There doesn't seem to be a whole heap written down. It's probably just some old mate back in the day looked at it and thought, that looks like a knob. So he slapped his name on it. As we get further and further into the trip, I guess the idea and how realistic it all is kind of evolving through the trip, realising that it's not going to be a quick thing and we need to pace ourselves. With all the knobs ahead, it feels good to know that there's still plenty to do and exciting to look at the map and still see all these areas that we've never been before, and that at some point, with any luck, we're going to be able to go and explore.
Yes!
Rocky Knob.
When we started, I think I had pretty grand plans of this being a 5-year thing, but I've quickly realised that it doesn't matter how long it takes, and I actually hope that it keeps going and we get to kind of stretch this out for a long time, because I'm having so much fun doing it, and doing it together is even kind of more special, and I hope that one day we reach 138, but who knows.
Oh yeah.
Woo woo! Down, up, down, yeah! Where are you going? Holy moly! Whoa! That is so cool. Oh, I'm so happy. Woo! Have a knob, baby. Oh, wow.
Summiting every knob in New Zealand is really not important, but I think that's why I really love it. Nowadays, you know, being the first or the fastest or the best is often the goal. I think we forget that it's all about the journey. Just stoked to be out there doing our own thing, one knob at a time. 22 knobs down, 116 to go.